What's up, everybody, and welcome to my first video vlog. I'm gonna probably put this in YouTube, but the cameraman is my brother, so yeah. And we're gonna talk about Roblox. Yay! And there's a game about Crunker, so you could play it, Crunker.io, at like computers. If you play on tablet and like iPad, it won't make sense because the screen is so big. Okay? Now, Roblox time. I'm so good at jailbreak. Look at me. And so like I will be.
Talk about Al Huda weekend school.
So I went to my Al Huda weekend school. And it was so cool. I didn't even went to my own classroom. I was at level 2. It was upstairs. Then I went downstairs and play something because my teacher took me there, and it was very,